here at 240 Fandago Street. Starting off with a nice large front gate and a huge carport. This is a corner lot, so we got ample amount of yard space. Got a mango tree right over there, a few banana trees right over there. Right over here is a water room, so there is a toilet for the outside. And here is the front door, straight into the kitchen. This is for rent for $2,450 right by Anderson. Got a washer and dryer. Over here is a half bedroom. Could use it as an office space or storage. Guest bathroom right over here. And right next to it is your first bedroom. Living area. You can see that I didn't turn any lights on, so there is a lot of natural light coming in. Second bedroom. And directly across is the master bedroom. It's a master bath. There's another gate right over there, just in case you have more cars you wanted to park. Like I said, huge yard. And right around this corner takes you back to the carport. Sorry.